Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, change drive letter using command prompt. Open File Explorer. Click to open this PC. I want to change E drive to J drive. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type disk part. Type list space disk. Type list space vol. Type select space vol space 3. Type assign space letter equal to J. Type exit from disk part. Type exit from command prompt. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.